Welcome. So as you can see, we're in the forest in our backyard, and unfortunately this tree here has died, and I'm going to take it down. But I thought, yes, if I can get up to that fork I can put a rope around it, and this is what I used as a weight 6 times. It was the 6th time that I actually got it through and got it over and got it down. So all I'm doing is using this as a little bit of protection for when we take the tree down. I'll have it come along. I'm not ready to set it up at the moment because there's too much wind blowing, but the idea is for the tree to go straight through there. Unfortunately there's a house, a neighbour's house, 10-12 metres away, and the tree is actually 20 metres high. So it's important that we have everything in place and take the tree down this way. So that is the plan, and I'll just get it all set up, then we'll do the cut and we'll just pray that everything works out well.
You waiting for another mouse?
I did a slight miscalculation. I actually wanted it to land on this log, and unfortunately I just missed out by a small amount. But that's the cut, and look at this beautiful sawdust. Quite dry.
Very dry.
And lucky I've got it going over the other tree, so it'll be easy to cut back in smaller sections. And so this will be our next year's firewood supply, at least. Probably about, I would guesstimate about 4 tonne of wood altogether. I'll get Vicky to take a shot from the other side and you can see the dead stuff at the end. So we're about 25 metres from where I took the tree down. This is the end piece of wood as far as I can see. So all this will have to be chopped up and dealt with accordingly. This is the come along. This is the instrument that I use to pull it towards us.